Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids colors name. Red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, brown color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use red color. O N E 1. Kids again use red color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. T W O 2. The numbers of 2. It's neither 3. The numbers of 3. T H R W 3. And use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. F O U R 4. Kids neither 5. The numbers of 5 and use blue color. F I V E 5. Kids again use blue color and draw 6. The numbers of 6. S I X 6. Kids neither 7. The numbers of 7 and use green color. S E V E and 7. The numbers of 7. Kids again use green color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. E I G H T 8. Kids neither 9. The numbers of 9 and use black color. N I N E 9. Kids again use black color and draw 10. The last numbers of 10. T E and 10. Kids today draw 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.